welcome to Nature Awesome. And today we're going to be doing some nature time. Let's get in the video. Today.
Dun, dun. So yes, this episode we're going to be teaching you how to, if you find a big lizard, how to hold on to it as you're catching it, and hold on to it while it's in your captivity. If you remember on episode 1 or 2, we ran into a huge stick bug, very big. So yeah, start.
Watch out, there's hornet.
What? Oh, you're right. Thank you. So yeah, we're going to show you how to catch the friendly bugs. The friendly things in this world. So yeah, do you want to go out back? So we're not going to find much out front. I'm just glad we were able to get our intro off this time. I was just glad we were able to get our intro off. But if you remember on episode 4 and 3, I think it was 3 and 4, that we lost, that we couldn't get the intro at the beginning. So yeah.
And it was episode 5, the one where we caught the baby lizard.
Yeah, I think it was 4. Or it might have been. Yeah, I think.
Delete it.
I had to. It wouldn't let it upload. I vote we just go out back and see what we can find.
I don't want to go out back.
Well, McKenna, you might have to. McKenna, then once we're done, once we get a lizard, you can catch him, and we can bring him out here and do how to take care of a big lizard. So we are entering my gate, the gate of truth. My dad is taking it down so it's not as sturdy, guys. We are coming back here not to mess with anything, but to look at what's down here. We are looking for any lizards. We're going to take the lizards out into the front, and then...
If there is any lizards, then we'll take them out in front.
Yes, we will take the lizards that we find out front and do all that with them.
Dab.
And teach you how to capture a lizard safely without endangering the lizard at all. So, we're in my backyard now.
I say we go into the...
You say we go into the what?
Garden.
Garden?
I'm not scared.
Hey, there's a corn stalk that I'm talking about.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, let's go.
So you want to go into the garden?
No.
Uh-oh. That, I think, is a yellow jacket, guys. Really deadly. I've been stung by their smaller cousins. Wasn't fun.
We also have frogs out here, but I don't know.
Yeah, I don't think they're in.
If they pee on you, guess what?
Then you've got warts, don't you?
Yeah. Actually, no, I don't have warts, but
here, let me zoom in on it.
This is an egg I found.
So guys, that is a bird egg?
I don't know, really. But it might go to the other...
Oh yeah.
Like the other one.
Oh yeah. Or maybe it's a different one, but it belonged to maybe it was like part of the same family, you know what I mean?
There's actually so I was gonna actually sit down and there's actually stuff working. Yeah.
Here, take the camera. Oh wait, I can't spray it, can I?
I don't know if you can. And then let's not, because you have to take down that. And then let's not. Let's not. Let's not. Let's not.
Got it.
I told you let's not.
I didn't get the thing. Right.
And then there's also a red one, too.
Alright, guys. Now that is how you take care of a wasp. Yeah, I'm gonna like zoom in on it so we don't get stung. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that was a wasp's nest taken out. Should we go look over here? Let's look right here. There's bound to be something. Whoa! Don't scare me like that. Let's go. Saw a lot of smoke.
Do you see anything?
No, I don't see anything. Alright, let's go. What the? There's something. There's like something buzzing near my ear.
Yeah, that's what happens to me all the time.
Alright, let's go. Let's go look out front. This is basically a tour. This is our backyard. We do have nice neighbors right over there and over there. So
They're mean.
they're not mean. Mr. Steve's not mean.
Yeah, they're.
Mr. Steve's not mean.
That's really their last name.
No, that's his name. But, yes, we are now leaving. We're going through the gate of truth. Yeah, got it. Alright, guys, so we are looking out here now. We might just look for one off camera. And once we get one, once we find one, once we get one, we will sign back on. But this is going to end it for today. If you guys enjoyed, as always, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to join the adventure. Say bye, McKenna.